Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play A Pirate Looks at 40 by Jimmy Buffett. Starting off with the chords, a G chord, first finger hangs, middle finger plays the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger plays the 6th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky curls up and plays the 1st string on the 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings. To play the C chord, you pick up your pinky, move these 2 fingers over 1 string, so your middle finger winds up on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger winds up on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Then your first finger plays the 2nd string, 1st fret. Play 5 strings. In order, the C/B means C with a B note in the bass. So, start with your C chord, pick up your ring finger, and move your middle finger over to the 5th string, but on the 2nd fret. Kind of let it lean over and mute the 4th string so it's not really loud. Go from C with a B in the bass to the A minor 7, all you do is move your middle finger back where it was on the 4th string. A minor 7, as I've just shown you, is your first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. To play the B minor 7, your first finger goes all the way across the 2nd fret. You want to play a good solid B on the 5th string, 2nd fret, but you want to kind of let the tip of your finger mute the E string. Then your middle finger plays the 2nd string 1 fret up from the 1st finger, and your ring finger is going to play the 4th string 2 frets up from your 1st finger. If you want a quick transition from the B minor 7 to the A minor 7, you can just pick up your 1st finger and slide these 2 fingers down to the A minor 7. C/G, C with a G in the bass, is probably one of the most used chords in this. Start with a G chord, and now move your middle finger over a string so it's on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then put your first finger down on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Play all 6. The strumming pattern, just like all strumming patterns, starts with the steady beat. Now it's kind of easy and mellow in this case. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, like a lot of ballads, you're going to use that to accent the lyrics, to kind of dramatize the lyrics, if you will. Mother, Mother Ocean, I have heard you call. Wanted to sail upon your waters since I was 3 feet tall. The 2 main strums that you're using are, of course, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Click the link below to the play-along video and try just playing the steady beat all the way through it. There's a riff I play at the beginning, and I kind of like it for other parts too. Play a G chord, and then I'm going to put my first finger down on the 2nd string, 1st fret, just like for a C, but I'm also going to put my middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Go back to the G, so it's G, and you can play all the strings if you want to. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. See, it's easy. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart, a play-along video, as well as links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's this big gray box that's for your questions. If I left something out, if you don't understand something, please feel free to ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play A Pirate Looks at 40 by Jimmy Buffett. Thank you for watching.